Ano yung unutan mo?
Oh, parang naman. Sayaw na, kanta na. Kanta na.
Sa akin magpuan ko, doon ako na!
Sawa!
Okay, nandito kami sa aming bahay kubo para sa aming dinner. Dinner for tonight.
Look at our food.
Yeah.
Very palatable, our food.
Palatable?
Palatable, means delicious. Delicious. And many foods out there.
Guys,
bihon, the burrot, it is burrot, guys.
Burrot?
And so someone, yes, many for the midnight snack. Many, yes, spaghetti. I got it.
First time namin kumain nito. Kasi masanay kami sa mga karne eh.
Mga mamahal.
Karne gyud, ikaw pa nagsabi?
Karne. What is
You,
this,
ma'am.
guys?
Don't talk when your mouth is full.
Hindi naman full.
Naboy space.
Well, ako, mamaya na ako na magkain. Inuuna ko muna yung mga children of the world.
Yeah.
For rice kayo sila po.
Children kami.
Marami pa silang rice doon. So pwede kami mag-take 4.
So, therefore, I conclude, nagdala sila ng isang sakong bigas para ilongag lang ngayong
Para
ganyan.
sa amin. Palangga kami nila, you know. Uy, holo.
Baba.
Wala din kasili niyang gidokmak.
Holo.
Walang siya, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will open the Coca-Cola now.
Okay, let's drink for our future.
Yes! Oh my gosh, it's about to burst.
Magtagay na tawag ko.
Okay, give your glasses, guys. We're going to use it now.
You wanna see our tulugan?
Yeah, it's a double check.
Double set tulugan. Si Jom lang isa sa taas, tatlo kami sa baba.
Where am I going to sleep?
Sa labas.
Oh,
That's bullshit.
this is bullshit.
Cheers!
Okay.
Cheers, madam!
For our success.
Yes, for you,
Wait, wala pa
passport.
market ko. Ay! Sige na lang.
Cheers!
Tagay tayo mga friends.
Shot, mga igat.
Love you guys.
Love you too, guys.
Sarap.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Okay, it's time for me to eat na. Okay, bye.
It was just the beginning. Target eliminated.
Diet si Brian.